to today's striking and fielding game, Diamond Cricket. In this game, you will need 4 to 8 stumps, you will need 4 to 8 cricket bats, and a couple of balls. Start by placing 4 sets of stumps in a diamond formation appropriately distanced apart. Split the pupils into 3 teams. A batting team, 4 batters, a wicket-keeping team of 4 wicket-keepers, and then a bowling and fielding team. One bowler stands in the centre of the diamond and bowls to any of the 4 batters who are ready to hit. Once the ball is hit, all 4 batters must run anti-clockwise to the next set of stumps to score a run. Batters can be out in 3 ways. They can be bowled out, they can be caught out on the full, or they can be run out at any set of stumps. If a batter is out, they just don't score any points for that go. Play for time or for a certain number of balls before rotating. The team with the highest score are the winners. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.